It's American Gun Chick and it's Gun Day Monday. Hey guys, I'm in Rifle, Colorado right now, and I'm at this awesome restaurant. It's called Shooter's Grill, and they're very pro-gun, as you can tell. And all the waitresses in there open carry. So it's pretty cool because I'm amongst my people now. So let's go say hi and go check it out. I've never been here before, but I've heard about it. So we're driving through Colorado and we stopped in Rifle and we're here at Shooter's Bar and Grill. And this place is really cool. It's a legendary place known for being super pro-gun, as you can tell. All the waitresses here open carry. This is an open carry state. And Lauren Boebert owns this place and she's currently running for Congress. So she's pro-gun, you should go support her. So this is the menu and we're about to try some food. Thank you. This is probably the safest restaurant in Colorado. Nobody's gonna rob this restaurant. I was outside taking pictures and I was like showing my gun and everything, and then two guys were standing next to me like, hey, and they're like cheering me on like, we got ours too. And I'm like, yeah, like nobody's gonna come in here and rob this place, you know. Got the brisket burger. Good. Whew, I'm so full. That was so good. I wish I had more time to try more things. There's a guacamole burger that I still need to try. It looks like they fit pretty good too.
Oh yeah, they do.
The brand is Next Level, which is a good brand. I like extra small, you know?
Yeah.
Some gun shirts are just all, like this one.
Too much.
Not very, yeah.
Yeah. All these.
Okay. I'm just putting this here just in case. Come and take it. They got an extra small too. So in order to support Lauren and to support the Second Amendment and people that are the same as me, I'm gonna buy this shirt. And thank you for the great meal from Shooter's Grill. And yeah, if you guys are in this area, come in and support them because they support us. So